Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I show you how to make the roasted turkey. Very near our Christmas coming, so everybody celebrate for the Christmas. Let's see how to make the roasted turkey. First we put the onion, garlic, orange, lemon, green beans, baby carrot, basil pods, baby potato, extra virgin olive oil, paprika, butter, dry rosemary, thyme, peppercorn, salt, oregano, yellow mustard, thyme, and rosemary. Both are fresh. We are using fresh and dry both. And finally our turkey 6 pieces. Now we are stick to marination. First we take the 2 kg of the butter. Then we put the garlic, custard black pepper, oregano, salt, dry rosemary, dry thyme, paprika, lemon zest, then I put the orange zest also, both together. Now fresh rosemary, we remove all the seed and we put thyme also together. Then we will mix it very well. Now we take our 1 kg turkey, we put in the sewing board, and finally we add some olive oil also in the butter. So we take the skin and we put inside the skin, but take care, don't break the skin. And I put inside the hole also. So very nicely you have to make butter, otherwise not going to taste marination, no taste, no anything if you not make proper way to marination for that. And be careful, don't break the skin. You put all around of the turkey, inside, outside, all the sides. Then we are our step with the vegetable. Before we are keep it that vegetable, tomato, onion, garlic, carrot, lemon, all we are stepped then. Then we close the properly the bag. So giving juicy and nice flavor and tasting for the vegetable. So almost done our 6 pieces marination. In the top we are put the rosemary and thyme. Tomorrow we will cook it for that. We keep that around like a 16 hour. We put the marination in the chiller. So now we put the chiller. Second day we will put in the 4 piece 170 and close by aluminum foil and put in the oven. 220 degrees Celsius. First we put the 1 hour. Then we will remove skin and put in the all the stock in the water top of the turkey. Almost done. So we are now plating. See, very nice color and you see. We put all the round of the vegetable as I show you before. Baby potato, baby carrot, green beans and basil pods. Almost done our turkey, and for the garnishing we put orange and rosemary in the top. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.